to our videos. So I'm just practicing. In a few weeks I'm going to Colombia to do some voluntary work. So I'm going to try, and when I'm there, vlog. There's no guarantee that I will get internet connection, because I've been doing a lot of research, and it's basically saying that in Colombia you've either got internet or you've not got internet. I'm going to a place called Santa Marta, and I don't know what else I'm going to be doing when I'm there. So I recently just got this GoPro, so I've just been practicing different kinds of stuff, because I'm a stills photographer. So video like this is pretty new to me. I've got my dog with me.